The world-famous Avanyapuram Jallikattu competition has started in Tamil Nadu. Over 200 bulls are participating in the competition. Amidst the COVID-19 scare, the observers were seen wearing face masks and maintaining social distancing. Besides Tamil Nadu, several devotees and hermits were seen offering prayers and taking a holy dip on the occasion of Makar Sankranti. BJP chief JP Nadda and Wayanad Congress MP Rahul Gandhi will land in Tamil Nadu today on the occasion of Pongal. While JP Nadda will be attending Namma Uru Pongal, Rahul Gandhi, on the other hand, will attend the Jallikattu event at Avanyapuram district in Madurai. Tamil Nadu is expected to go to polls in May 2021. The central government approves the procurement of 83 indigenously developed combat aircraft Tejas for Indian Air Force worth 48,000 crore rupees. This decision was taken during a meeting of the Cabinet Committee chaired by Prime Minister Modi and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. As per Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, the aircraft deal will be a game changer for self-reliance in defence manufacturing in India. Nepal Foreign Minister Pradeep Kumar Gyawali will be on a 3-day visit to India on January 15th. He will be attending the 6th meeting of Nepal-India Joint Commission. In the joint meeting, both the countries will be discussing the entire range of relations, including COVID-19 cooperation and boundary issues. Gyawali is the senior-most political leader to visit India after Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli. United States President Donald Trump became the first president in the history of the United States to be impeached twice. The House voted 232 to 197 to impeach President Trump. Democrats and shockingly 10 Republicans voted in favor of impeaching the President of the United States. The impeachment comes in the backdrop of the Capitol Hill attack. Ahead of President-elect Joe Biden's inauguration on January 20th, Google has announced to pause all the political ads on its platform. This development comes after violence erupted at US Capitol Hill while Congress convened to validate Joe Biden's presidential win. This move will be in effect from January 15th and there will be no exceptions for any news organizations or merchandise advertisements. National Commission for Protection of Child Rights has issued notice to former Madhya Pradesh Minister and Congress leader Sajjan Singh Verma over his remarks against women's legal age of marriage. NCPCR has further sought an explanation from the Congress leader within 2 days. Sajjan Singh Verma had earlier stated that at the age of 15, a girl will be ready for marriage. He further added that he didn't know on what basis the Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan wanted to increase the marriage age. Bollywood actor Katrina Kaif and Kollywood superstar Vijay Sethupathi will be teaming up together for Andhadhun director Sriram Raghavan's upcoming project. According to several media portals, the duo has officially signed the papers and will start shooting in April in Pune. Australian opener Will Pucovski has been ruled out of the 4th Test match against India in Brisbane due to a shoulder injury he sustained in Sydney. Pucovski's Victorian teammate Marcus Harris has been named as his replacement. Australia has also confirmed that this is the only change in its playing 11 for the Brisbane Test.